Apply the blue shade from the Boogie Nights 10 Pen palette on the lid. Blend in the purple shade under the inner half of the brow. Then add the peach shade under the outer half of the eyebrow. Fill in and comb through the brows with the Ultimate Brow Retractable Pencil. Line the top and bottom waterlines with the breakup-proof retractable eyeliner in black. Apply the pink shade in the Rest in Pink glitter. Place the under-eye gems from the Alien Babe Gem Face Mask. Create a wing with H2O-proof liquid liner and smoke it out with a fluffy brush. For a pop of color, apply the purple-colored brow and lash mascara to the lashes. To top off the eye look, apply Mysterious Lashes to the lash line. Draw a heart in the center of the lips. Place the forehead gems from the Alien Babe Gem Mask in the center of the forehead. Finally, complete the look with the glitter gel in the shade Fab-Boo-Lous on top of the Midnight Sky on the lip.
Don't mean to be hanging on the what ain't even there. Ghosts of our past keep on coming up for air, baby.